viewers. Today we will introduce the topic how to investigate multiple login failure for the same user and proceed by the login failure followed by success from the same username and containing failure audit and account failed to log on. So we will understand the offense. This is triggered when the user experience is a multiple login failed attempt and followed the successful login. It may be indicating a brute force attack, credential stuffing, or unauthorized access. Immediate action is necessary to prevent the security breaches. Second step is located the offense in QRadar. Firstly, our login in QRadar. We have also login, but you follow the step and navigate to the offense tab and filter to type search multiple login failure. Okay, so next step is review the offense detail. Click on offense tab, check the detail. Username is Python. Okay, and source IP is a multiple. Okay, multiple source IP. Okay, this is our internal organization. This is an internal source IDs. Okay, next step is destination IPs. This is the destination IP. Okay, this is our log sources. Window AD server and window auth is a digitization. Windows server is event count is a 509 and the starting time is a March 21st, 2025. It may be account failed. Okay, so identify all the temp internal source IPs generating the login attempt. So next step we have to take in click on event tab or check the pattern of the user. All users are same. Here we check the same IP is a trying username is the same and different type of source IP because we have a 10 internal IPs. Okay, so we have to use filter to search username that the same username or different username. Click on it. Here is only same username, not different users. Are determining whether these logins failure are normal. Confirm whether the final successful login is a legitimate because it is a login the AD server. So we check the event and we check the payload. So event name is a successful audit to an account was a successful login. This is our payload. We have to read this information. Okay, we have to check the login was initially failed because of account the password is expired and after that digitalization is also login successful via the user Python and AD server is also login successfully. This all source IPs are found internal and this is also internal, so it is a legit activity done by the our organization's employee. So clear the filter and go back. We have to check that the source IP, destination, event count, and username and log sources. So we have to add the note like the in this offense. Okay, so we have add this note key in this offense. We observe that the source IPs are 10, all are found internal and two local destination IPs are also found internal. And the user Python one attempt to login Windows server is a digitalization and AD server. Initially, login attempts are failed due to expired password, but after that, login is a successful on both server. And total 509 events were generated within a 5 minute and 4 second. This is upon the internal activity. So this is a legit activity and we will continue monitoring the incident or offense activity. Okay. So we have add this note from here. So if we have to found it is a malicious and other if you are found malicious and suspicious activity, you also make a email to send to the client